Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on graphs of cosec, sec and cot. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. In an earlier video, the graphs of sin x, cos x and tan x were presented. In this video, we will look at graphs of cosec x, sec x and cot x. The graph to the left represents y equals cosec x. The period is 2 pi because after that it starts repeating itself. So you can see from here to here, for example, is 2 pi. And after that it just starts again. And the same happens in that direction. The amplitude is not defined because the graph continues infinitely in both directions. Both in that direction and that direction, the graph continues infinitely. So the amplitude is not defined. The value of y is either greater than or equal to 1, that's in that direction there, or less than or equal to 1 in that direction there for all values of x. You can see that the graph does not meet the x-axis at any stage. And finally, the asymptotes are at minus 2 pi, which is here, minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi, and there are more asymptotes in that direction and more asymptotes in that direction. Now, if you remember from an earlier video, an asymptote is a line where the graph does not touch that line. So the graph does not meet the line. That's the meaning of an asymptote. The graph to the left represents y equals sec x. The period is 2 pi because after that it starts repeating itself. Again, the amplitude is not defined. The value of y is either greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to minus 1 for all values of x. Again, the graph does not meet the x-axis, and you can see the asymptotes quite easily. Minus 3 on pi, minus 3 pi on 2, so minus 3 pi on 2, minus pi on 2, pi on 2, 3 pi on 2, similarly in that direction, and similarly in that direction. The graph to the left represents y equals cot x. The period is pi, because after that it starts repeating itself. The amplitude is not defined. As you can see, it continues infinitely in both directions. The graph meets the x-axis at those indicated points here, and also to the left of those, and to the right. And here are the asymptotes, similarly to the left and to the right. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The puzzle, what is the meaning of the following? Balanced diet. Isn't that cute? Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You'll receive a notification when the next video is available. Please share with your friends. Hope to see you next lesson.